Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh, and today I want to talk with you about this 2026 Harris Cruiser 210. We've got it in this beautiful midnight blue. Come on aboard, let's take a look at it. All right, welcome to the helm of this awesome Harris Cruiser 210. Right here we've got controls for our wet sound stereo. We've got controls for our Power Bimini here. We've got a wireless charger for your phone, and it even has a tilt wheel. All right, the floor plan on this boat is the SLDH, which means it has two captain's chairs here. And then it has the swing back lounge, so you can have it set up like this, seated forward facing. You can set it up to recline facing rearward. You can even lay it down to make a complete bed. Great for naps on the lake. Here at the stern of the boat, we've got a giant storage compartment that passes through to the front side of the lounge. On this side, it's got a great built-in cooler that drains overboard. Right here, we have an awesome wake tow, so you can tow skiers, boards, tubes with this 150 horsepower Mercury. And then there, pièce de résistance is the Lillipad ladder. Makes it real easy to get on board. Your pets love it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come on by MarineMax in Dallas and see us with this great new Harris.